Hey guys, back again, and today we've got a faucet that's having some issues with the handle. It's getting very tight, and so long story short, looks like it's got a cartridge in there that needs to be replaced. So let's get into how to take care of that. So nice thing about Moen, it turns out, is some of them have a lifetime warranty, and you can actually get a replacement cartridge for free. So here's the cartridge and the parts. Comes with an Allen wrench, set screw, cartridge, and the retainer nut. We're going to need a wrench and, of course, the instructions. And it's actually pretty easy. Just take out the set screw, take out the cartridge, pop the new cartridge in, and we should be good to go. Obviously, turn off the water first, which we've already done. All right, so first thing, put the stopper in or put a towel in, block the drain, because if that set screw drops down there, that's going to turn your project into a much longer project. So then we're going to go in here, we're going to get this set screw out, which is a little bit of a challenge because it's on here. Okay, so you can see there's the set screw in there. Oh, there we go. Unscrew that. So there's the cartridge. You can see there's the ports.
Yeah.
Let's see if it'll, maybe just working it a little bit will loosen it up. So you can see there's the openings that where the water comes in, and then the output to the sink itself. And then here's the cartridge. So this definitely does not match what they sent. So it looks like they might have sent us the wrong part. So we're gonna probably have to order another one. All right, well, we'll pop this guy back in. So these two locator pegs right here,
Oh, yeah.
Those go in the bottom. And then it's in there. So I'll put this back on. And we'll just give that guy a little snug him down. I just want to do a quick check and see how this. It's actually not bad, so it is actually a little looser, so maybe just taking it apart and working it helped. And we'll turn it on and make sure it doesn't leak.
Okay.
So that way if I need to snug this down again.
All right,
so,
we'll do that.
Yeah, let's go turn the water back on. So I'm just taking a look in there, looking to see if I see any leaks, which I don't. So that's good. I think we'll button this back up. And it actually seems to be working okay, so might be able to just, might just need to take it out and work it a little bit. Okay, so we'll put our collar back on. Make sure you line up those threads. Don't cross thread it. back on. We'll have to rotate it so we can get access to that set screw. Okay. All right, so what turned out to be what we thought was going to be a problem, that they sent us the wrong part, actually ended up turning out to not be too big a problem, because just the act of taking this apart and cleaning it up a little bit seems to have remedied the tightness. It's working just like it did years ago. Lifetime warranty, free cartridge. Gonna order a new one anyway. Why not? And that way it's good to go, and it's an easy fix, as you can see, to pop this out and pop the new one in. So that's how we're going to leave it, and hope you learned a little something on this one here, that these faucets, if you don't have any surprises with like corroded parts or anything like that, are usually pretty simple to service, and you can probably do yourself. Obviously, of course, know your limits. If you're not sure, not comfortable, then call somebody in, but at least seeing this, you know what to expect. So if somebody comes in here, you know they're doing it right and they're not taking you for a ride financially. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, so that way you'll see when I'm posting new videos. Till the next one, see you later.